Looking for a work-from-home job? ZipRecruiter is a leading platform to find remote opportunities. This video will show you how to use ZipRecruiter's remote filters and alerts to find your dream WFH job quickly and efficiently. As of January 2026, ZipRecruiter offers powerful tools to tailor your search. Let's dive in. ZipRecruiter has adapted to the rise of remote work. Over 40% of jobs on the platform are now remote or hybrid. Recent AI improvements help prioritize relevant remote jobs based on your profile and search history. Stay updated with their mobile app's Remote Work Hub for real-time listings. ZipRecruiter has evolved significantly in response to the post-pandemic shift toward remote and hybrid work. By 2026, the platform has integrated AI-driven personalization, making remote job matching more efficient. The mobile app now features a dedicated remote work hub with real-time job updates, improved GPS-based location filters, and integration with virtual collaboration tools. The first step in finding remote jobs on ZipRecruiter is to use the location filter. Start by typing your desired job title into the search bar. Next, in the location field, enter remote to filter for fully remote positions. For hybrid roles with some in-office requirements, you can specify a location followed by within 50 miles, such as New York within 50 miles. ZipRecruiter uses your IP address to offer default remote job suggestions, making it easier to find opportunities without manual location entry. Refine your search further with advanced filters to find the perfect remote job. Under job type, select work from home or fully remote to focus on positions that allow working from anywhere. Use keyword searches like remote software engineer to narrow your results and target specific roles. Filter by company size and industry, such as tech or healthcare, to find opportunities in your preferred sectors. Sort by date posted to find the newest work-from-home openings and stay ahead of the competition. Here's an example from LinkedIn showing how job type and other filters appear in practice. This screenshot from Virtual Vocations demonstrates remote level and location filters for advanced searching. Don't miss out on new opportunities. Create alerts by saving your search criteria. You can customize alerts by keywords, location, and salary. Choose your preferred frequency from daily to instant notifications. Sync your alerts with LinkedIn or Indeed for broader tracking. First, perform your search for remote jobs on ZipRecruiter. Once you have the filters set, save your search to create an alert. This shows how alerts organize notifications, similar to ZipRecruiter's grouping feature. Customize your alerts with specific keywords like remote software engineer, set location to remote, and specify salary ranges. Similar to Indeed's alert setup, ZipRecruiter allows easy customization. Select your preferred notification frequency, daily, weekly, or instant alerts for immediate updates. Use the app to manage your alerts, as shown here. Sync your ZipRecruiter alerts with LinkedIn or Indeed to track jobs across platforms and avoid duplicates. Receive email alerts like this example, keeping you updated on new remote roles. Increase your chances of finding the perfect remote job by creating a strong ZipRecruiter profile. Start by uploading your resume to showcase your qualifications. Highlight relevant skills that match remote job requirements. Include technical skills, soft skills, and any remote work experience. Specify your job preferences clearly, such as remote work type, salary range, and industry. This helps ZipRecruiter's algorithm find the best matches. Complete all profile sections including About Me, contact information, work experience, education, and references to create a comprehensive profile. ZipRecruiter's AI Recruiter Fill helps employers find you, so ensure your profile is detailed and up to date for better remote job matching. Many job seekers have achieved success by leveraging ZipRecruiter's remote filters and alerts. These tools have helped professionals across various fields secure fulfilling remote positions. For example, a software developer used targeted alerts to find their ideal remote position. By setting up notifications for remote Python developer with a specific salary range over $100,000, they received a match quickly and secured a fully remote role at a Fortune 500 company within days. In another success story, during the telehealth boom, thousands of nurses utilized ZipRecruiter's remote filters to discover nursing opportunities. Through partnerships with hospitals, over 10,000 nurses found remote roles, with 70% securing positions within a month of using the platform. These success stories highlight the effectiveness of ZipRecruiter's tools. Users who actively engage with remote filters and alerts experience a 25 to 30% placement rate, demonstrating how these features can accelerate career advancement in remote work. To stay updated and avoid common pitfalls in your remote job search on ZipRecruiter, regularly refresh your filters and alerts to align with your evolving needs. Double-check your notification settings to ensure you don't miss opportunities. Combine ZipRecruiter with networking for the best chance of success.